Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve this LeetCode hard problem to get maximum score. So this problem is you have two sorted array and you can jump between the array if the number are the same. So from this example you can go 2, 4 and then you can jump to the second array and then get to 6, 8, and then you can jump back and then 10. So what we want is this is called a path. So we want a maximum sum in the path. So the solution I'm going to talk about is we can traverse from the 0 index from both array, and we're going to traverse when the first array, if the first index, the value at the first index is less than the value at the first index of the second array. Or you can say it's just, the current index, because we can advance the index. And when we advance to the same number, we just compare. So we're going to keep some of what we have seen for the array 1 and array 2 separately, and you're gonna see here. So you see 2. So the first. So let's see in more visual way. I built a small application for this. Okay, so from that array that I show you, I changed it to be looking easier to see. So first we pointing the 2 pointers to the first index. Now it's 2 and 4. The logic here is if which one is less than the other one, we're going to advance that array. So in this case, 2 and 4. 2 is less than 4, so we can advance. So hit next. So the sum for the array 1 is 2. We advance it to the second index. So now you check, oh, it's the same. So if it's the same, we want to know what is the maximum sum before this number, right? Now we just compare 0 and 2, so it's 2. So 2, then 2 plus 4 is 6. So if we go next, we advance both of them because we already passed this number 4. And then now you can see the sum of both is now 6. Then now see again 5 and 6. 5 is less than 6, so we're gonna plus 6 plus 5 and then advance. So now it's 11. Now it's at 8. So we compare again 6 and 8. So 6 is less than 8, so we're gonna advance again the second one. So now it's 12. Now it's 8 and 8. So now we need to see if which one is greater. So this one is greater. So we're gonna use this one. So it's 12 gonna plus 8 is gonna be 20, and both at once. You see it's all 20. Now we can see 9 and 10. 9 is less than 10, so it's gonna sum to 29 as at the end. And then we only have 10 now, so we're gonna sum it to 30. And then when both at the end, we just need to compare. And the answer will be 30. So if we go back to see from here, the output is 30. So why this works is because when we traverse to the point where we can switch, we can choose to switch or not, right? And we know that we want the maximum sum. So when we traverse to this number 4, we just care about the maximum sum until this point. So we say, okay, we get maximum of 2. So from now on, we're gonna go to both part with the sum of 2. So we go to 5 or we go to 6, but the maximum sum until 4 is 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we move on. So let's look at the code. The code is very simple for this problem. I'm not sure why it says hard. Maybe it's come up with the solution is hard. So first we just getting the length, and then we initialize the sum. Then I and j. I will be the index of the first array. J is the index of second array. And then in the while loop, we just check if I less than the length of first array or j is less than length of second array, because we know if both of them is equal to length for each array, we're gonna stop. Right? So the first condition, we check if the number at index I for array 1 less than number of at index j of array 2, also and I still less than length, because it could be that I greater than length and then we compared wrong thing, so we don't want that. Or if j greater than or equal length, so actually we can just check the equal because it shouldn't be greater than, but just to be safe. This means if j is already at the end, we just need to process the first array to advance the first array, like the example I showed before. So we just increment the sum as like with the number at index I and then increment I. So if this is false, so we can go to else if. Else if is just check if the number at index j of array 2 is less than number at index I of array 1. Or now you see the same thing, I is greater than or equal to length 1. Now we're gonna advance index j of array 2. Right? You increment the sum with the number and then increment j. So at the end, it's like else case. That means both numbers are the same. We just find the max of sum 1 and sum 2, like I explained before. And then we gonna plus the num. We can use num1i or num2j. It doesn't matter. Now it's the same number. And then that's the new max at the current sum. So we get assign sum 1, sum 2 equal to max, and then increment both I and j. And then at the end, we just return max of sum 1 and sum 2. In this case, they say this could be very large, so they want to return the mod of some number here. And that's it. So let's submit the code and see. Oh, we got 100%. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment below if you have anything or you want me to explain any question. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.